back and I'm sneezing strong. I knew it wouldn't be long till I returned and wouldn't have burned any other music in my soul, cause I'm feeling a little bit old in the soul, but that's okay, cause I'm stronger now, a little bit younger, a little bit I was gonna say dumber, but I'm not dumb. People, welcome back to the side of my face. Welcome back to my sneezing. I love you people. I'm back. I'm healthy now. The young, vibrant Benjamin has returned. I'm young, and I've got a few things to learn, but it's good. People, I love you. Happy sneezing day. Happy July the 24th. I love you people. I'm back. I'm gonna do more exciting sneezes. Subscribe for sneezes and love, people. Bye. It won't go away. Oh my. You must be here still because you love me.